Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. In today's video, we are going to be doing a July BoxyCharm little look review. I'm going to open her up so y'all can see what I got. And I'm just going to take some lash scissors right here and I'm going to cut it. Okay, she's all cut and we're going to open her up. So this is what the little card looks like. It just says BoxyCharm Au Naturel, and it comes with 5 different little things. The first one is going to be the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask, Advanced Skincare. So that seems kind of cool. I want to smell it. I'm gonna give her a little smell. Oh, and it has a little seal thing, so that's good. Smells good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, close that one up. And this is, let's see where it is. Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. $35. So this is already more than the box is, so that's good. And then it came with like a coupon. I don't know, coupon. Okay, the next thing that is going to come out is going to be this. Is going to be brushes included. It's going to be a large eye blending brush, a precision increase, and a foundation brush. We're going to go ahead and open this. Push them all out. So these are the 3 brushes. So this must be the foundation. This one is going to be the precision crease. And then this one is the large eye blender. So 3 brushes. Luxy Gael. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Yeah, I'll throw her away. Okay, and this one is going to be $30. So that's already $65 right there with the brushes and with the green mask. Next thing is going to be the Butter London. Where is it? Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And then this is what she looks like. So she's green, she's blue, she's brown. She's like pink and pinkish copper and gold. So that's cute. I'm gonna set this here, and this one is $32, so you're already made. So that's 30 plus that's 62 plus 35, that's 97 already. And then the next thing is going to be this little liquid lipstick, it looks like, or it's a, I don't know, let's see. This is, oh, that's that real watery. Okay, well, oh, did I mess up the thingy magic jig? Oh, let's see. A little stopper thing. There's usually a stopper in there. Uh-oh. Oh, well, that's not good. Okay, well, this is going to be, what is this? Alamar Cosmetics Des Nude as Lip Gloss. And this one is $15. And then the next thing after that is going to be a Peel Gel Liner in Forest Green. So it's a dark green color. And this one is $21. So 35, 32, 30, 15, and 21. So that's 30, 60, 90, 90, 3, 6, 9, 12, 120, plus 5. I don't know. I'll put the price, the total amount right here. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna try to fix this because normally they have like the stopper thing in there, and that is not the case for this lip gloss. So, whoops, maybe it got stuck in there. I don't know. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so the brief intermission, I was able to fix this. So now it's not as thick as it was, so it's all fixed now. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do my whole base and stuff, and then we'll be right back to do basically the eyes, the lips, and that's all that we got. Yeah, so we'll be back. I'll see you guys in a second. So I'm back, and I just realized after I was done doing both of my eyes that I did my eyes and I didn't show you guys. So this is not really gonna be a try-on haul, whatever. It's just gonna be, I guess, me talking about the products, seeing how I like them, and I'll just explain to you the look that I did, I guess. So I did, just so you guys can see, I did the dark brown shade, which is Temptress. It is very pigmented, so if you're gonna put this on your eye, make sure you like literally like tap and like dust and then put it on and then like sort of blend, because it's very pigmented. So I did Temptress, and then the next color right off of Temptress, I did Femme Fatale, and then I just did sort of like a cut crease, and I cut the crease and I put Queen. And then what's in my inner corner is Enchantress. So the only color I didn't use was Diva and Star. So I'm just gonna swatch them. So this is gonna be Star, and then this one is Diva. So those are those two colors. I mean, altogether, I like the palette. It's pretty cute. Never done a green sort of copper sort of brown look. But yeah, pretty much that's it. I did put on the, where is it? Artist Couture Shimmer Haze Diamond Glow Powder that I got in one of my previous BoxyCharms. So there is that. So that's the highlight that I'm wearing today. And I'm wearing just some regular Morphe lashes. These are like the $5 ones, I think. They're not like crazy lashes, but these are in the style Sunset Boulevard. So they're just like, you know, little thin, dainty lashes. So you can see all the dramaticity that's going on. And so the last thing to do is to put on the lip gloss. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my lips. I'm just going to put this sort of looks like this color. This is a Maybelline New York lip pencil. And I'm just going to sort of line my lips. Like, kind of messy. It is broke. Oh, I have a chunk on there now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a lipstick. I'm gonna take this. It's called Pink Chocolate, and this is from Ulta. I don't think I ever used it. Okay, there's the lipstick. Put that back. And then I'm just gonna put this gloss right over it because this is like an orangey sort of, what is this? This one is called Dulce. So. And that is the gloss. The gloss is pretty much the same color as this sort of copper shade. I don't think I like the gloss that much. It does look nice. It is a little bit sticky, but I did put kind of a lot on it, so we'll see how that goes. And this is gonna be the finished look. Sorry that I didn't do a little tutorial on this eye. It's pretty easy. You just put the brown, put the green, and then I cut the crease and then put that sort of copperish pink color, like rose goldy color on, and then I put the gold in the inner corner. And oh, and I did use the pencil. Where'd it go? I'm like the worst. My eyes like water so badly, and I don't know how these pencils work. Do you have to sharpen them? I don't know. I tried like putting it right here, or underneath here, and my eyes water. So, but overall, like it's a really pretty green color. So it would have looked nice with the other green, but this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to, you guys probably should. Just for all of my like people that want to start getting into doing makeup or wanting to just experiment and try new things. Like I've never heard of Butter London before. I have heard of Appeal because I have another product from them, and I've heard of Alamar from there. Most of these brands I haven't even heard of, and the way that I've heard of them is from using BoxyCharm. So if you want to try out some brands you've never used or that are not mainstream, like, you know, drugstore, or like ones that are like popularly sold in like Ulta and Sephora and stuff, definitely try this, because I've never heard of like Butter London or Alums, and I know that this is sold at like Nordstrom and places like that, and Bloomingdale's, I don't remember. I was there and I saw it there, and yeah, and Alamar, I never heard of it until I did BoxyCharm, and their products are good. It's just I don't really like this sort of peachy nude sort of color, but it is what it is. It's kind of nice, like it's a gloss, so it'll look nice, and it goes well with the eye. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead, like it, do all that stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.